That's the EV6. That's what happens when you're smart and smarter. So there you go. But we're gonna take off this door panel. So let's go in honor of replacing and installing these guys. We have to take off that. See this puppy right here? We gotta take this off. So let's start with our hands, our tools. And I just went right in between this guy and then pulled. That was easy. Screw, let's get them out. KIA. Left side, check. Right side, check. Now, another screw, and typically there's a screw under this handle or bolts. So let's pop this guy out and get these bolts out. So after popping this guy out, it's actually easier probably from here. I use this puppy, got between the cracks. But you probably, looks like you can grab from this side when it's up here. Looks like you can just grab from the front side. See this little, I'm gonna cut my nails. I gotta pull 2 screws, 1, 2. Already got one out, let's get the other one out, get the door panel off. All right, so I'm holding it, and this puppy popped out. Let me show you an easier way. I just sort of pulled outward because it was still stuck in, and luckily the clips didn't break. So the clips are right there. So you gotta go into the sides. Let's see, let me get this in my hand, I'll show you. Rest of the panel. Clip. But this guy, you see, they're on the sides. I didn't do it, it popped out for me, but I unplugged it, let me put it back in. But there you have it, that's the whole panel. You took it apart, you put it back together. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. And this puppy just lines all back up and push it all back in, and I'll show you anyway. But you see, like one-hander. Just line it up and push it up. So, thanks for watching.